Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm very happy to share you yet another function in Excel. So today we're going to see a function called as transpose in Excel. So I'm going to type a small data set over here in column A over here. So say for example it is a list of names like this, and so we have 3 names over here. So now I have typed this data in this particular column A. So say for example I want this data in the column A to bring it to this particular row. Okay, so how do we do that? For this purpose we use the function called as transpose. So first we can do it in 2 ways in Excel. We can do it with mouse, or we can do it with keyboard shortcut. So first I'll show you how to do it with the mouse. So in order to do that, first you select the data which you want to transpose, and then with the mouse I'm showing it, you go to the home menu and click on the copy button, and then the third step you need to click on the location where you want the data to be pasted. So now I want it in the first row here, so I have clicked over here in the cell number B1, and then I go to the paste option on the home menu, and then here there's a small inverted triangle over there. I click over there, and then I get a small sub menu over there, and then there I have this option called as transpose. I click on that, and then I have the data transposed into the row. Initially it was in the column, now it is transposed into the row. So we'll do it one more time. So now I want the data in the row, in the second row. So I click on this cell B2. The selection is already done, it's already copied. So I just need to paste it with the transpose option. So I go to the paste option here, I click on the inverted triangle over here, and I click on the transpose button here. So I got it. So now I have converted the data which is in column into a row. Can I convert this data which is in the row back to the column? So now this is already selected. So I go to the copy option here, I click on copy. I want this to be pasted in the column E with the transpose option. So I click here in the cell E1. I go to the paste menu and then click on this inverted triangle. I go to the transpose option, click over there, and then I got it in the column. So same thing, I'll show you how to do it with the keyboard, and then so same thing here. So I have the data over here. Now I need to copy this and to paste it with the keyboard shortcut in the transposed form. So for copying I use Ctrl+C, and then I want the data to be pasted here in this particular 4th row. So for this reason I use the keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl+Alt+V. Then I release my hand, so we get this menu. I press the alphabet E on the keyboard and then press enter. Okay, so this is the keyboard shortcut. We'll do it one more time. Ctrl+Alt+V, take your hand, click on E, press enter. Okay, so this is how we do the transpose. Now once again we'll select this one, copy this one, and then bring it in the E column. So I press Ctrl+C, I click over here on the cell E4, Ctrl+Alt+V, remove the hand, press E, press enter. That's it. So this is how we use the transpose function, both with the mouse and also with the keyboard. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for joining. Please learn Excel, like this video, subscribe for this channel, and share it with all your friends. And happy learning. Have a happy and wonderful learning of Excel. Thank you so much for joining. See you once again in yet another exciting video. Thank you so much.